Okay, here we've got our Half Dome 2 Plus REI. We're out here at Lake Mead, Manelli Bay, camping out for a couple nights. So going to go through the how to set this baby up. So inside, got everything we need, got our stakes, got our footprint and all that. I'll go through the series. Okay, got the stuff out of the bag. I'm going to do a video tomorrow. I've got one, but I'm going to do another one tomorrow or Sunday on taking it back down, because the one thing I want to show you is the way I do it is I end up rolling everything together. That includes the poles, the tent, cover, everything. So this is everything out of the bag. We got the tent, got the stakes, got the footprint, and I'll just go one step at a time. So one of the first things you want to do, find you a spot to put it down. Footprints protect the bottom of your tent. Also, and this is a general statement here, I want to show you something. So when you're putting your footprints down, make sure you look, okay, I got the wrong end over here, but you'll notice this actually says this side up, okay? So make sure you get the side that is meant to go on the ground. You can say on this one the stitching is on this side. So when you look at the other side, yeah, it's already dirty, but that's okay. So there you go. Just make sure you put the right side down and leave it right there and get prepared for the next step. Also wanted to add, you can see by this one, they've got the same colors on all the corners, and really that means it'll fit either direction. But a lot of times when you got a footprint, they'll be color coded, and the corners of the tent match the colors that are actually on the footprint. This one's not like that. They're all four gray. It just means it can go either direction. It doesn't matter. So okay, so now we got the tent, as you can see. Once again, this is a REI Half Dome 2 Plus. We've got the tent laid out on the footprint. Basically, also, you do not want to put your stakes in yet, because once you get everything set up, you still have the ability to move the tent exactly where you want it. And then once it's up, you can see it better. So don't put your stakes in yet. Next thing is to get the poles out and start putting poles up. So be right back. Poles come in their own bag. Okay, I'm gonna pull them out. All the poles are connected with bungee cords, so you don't have to have all the individual things. So here you have your here you have your little puzzle. Okay, so all you gotta do is just start assembling everything one at a time to get all of the sections together. One more over there, right? Okay. Okay. Now, all of the poles are together. Now, these go out to the corners, and on the tent, here's your oranges. So you know that it's going to go on this way, where all four black connectors go to the corners. And the way that you actually want to start putting it together is start on one corner. So we've got the footprint down and this. So go through the tent connector, go through the footprint connector. What I have found the easiest is go to the opposite corner, especially if you're doing this by yourself, because the tension's over there. So go ahead and come to the opposite corner. You can push. It's going to do exactly. It's just going to stay in the hole over there. Do exactly the same thing. Go through the tent. Go through the footprint. come to another corner. And it doesn't matter which one. Same thing. Go through the tent garment, go through the footprint garment. That one's a little looser, so I'm kind of tugging it that way so it'll hold, because I've got to get the last corner in. Just holding it so they don't fall out. Okay. Same thing. I'm going to go for the tent garment, footprint garment. Okay, so now I've got the 4 corners in. Next thing is to bring up your centers. Same thing, got the orange to orange. So this side on, this side on, and now your base is done. It does not matter how you go from here. I just start at the very top, do the 2 sides that I'm on, go around this side, this side, this side. Come over here, get the top, do the same thing. And now your tent's up. That's it, at least getting the tent part up. What I was saying earlier is, and this is why I said don't stake it, because if you stake it, you can't do what I'm about to do. But if you don't stake it, you can pick it up, and of course the garment's going to come out, but you can move this tent anywhere you want to move it, re-put the footprint down, and you can just put the tent anywhere you want to put it. There's another little trick I didn't do. If you put the footprint on first, then put the tent on, I wasn't really planning on moving it, then the actual footprint will hold on while you pick it up and move it. So didn't do that. Maybe next time. You can go ahead and pause it for now, babe. Okay, got her staked out now. Basically, to stake it out, all you do, 45-degree angle, pick your corner, put the stake in. I'm putting a rock on top of it so you don't step on it. But 45-degree angle, do the other corner, pull that taut, do the other one at 45 degrees out. Then go caddy corner on either one, it doesn't matter. Put that one in, pull the other corner tight, stake that one out, and she's up. And we're debating whether we're going to put the rain flap all night. We know it's not going to rain, so we're thinking about just leaving it open so we can look up in the sky. So don't think I'm going to get a shot right now on putting the rain tarp on. It's right there. But this is the view of a night and of a morning when you wake up. So we'll do more next time we do, and if we put stuff on.